Hey, what's up, guys? It's Kitty Cats, and today we are doing an unboxing of Owlcrate. If you don't already know what Owlcrate is, it is a monthly subscription box that gives you one young adult novel plus some bookish items. So this box is $39.99 US. This month's theme for November is Through the Enchanted Forest, which to me screams Snow White. You know, when she's running in the Enchanted Forest. I was trying to match the theme, but we're gonna go with it. So let's just crack this baby open, if I can hold the knife right. Is it a soft blanket? Ooh, it's a soft blanket. A little ASMR there. Ooh, it's purple. I like purple. Oh god, this is so fuzzy. It's a lot of fuzzies. This is really soft. Does it say anything? Ooh, it's white inside. Oh, what's this say? What's this say? As I block the camera. All forests are magic. Holly Black. That is super cute. It's definitely a cute little throw. I just kind of want to wrap myself in it. It's so soft. I'm gonna scared. I gotta put that right there because it's way too soft for me right now. Okay. And I see a beautiful card with, it kind of looks, I know it's not Elsa, but it kind of looks like Elsa. Like long hair in the forest. Very Snow Queen-esque. Ooh, what's this? Owlcrate exclusive. Jupiter and ivydesign.com. Ooh. Oh, it's an ornament. That's so cute. And it's carved. It says trees in your eyes, stars in your heart. Oh, and it has these really cute birds with the branches. That's super cute. Ooh, and also when you get these boxes, there is a pin pertaining to the book. I think I'm saying that right. Getting all sorts of pins now. There it is right there. It's very pretty, and I really like this teal color. Ooh, and we got something else. Kind of feels like a magnet. It's not a magnet. It's purple though, which is cute. Her Paper World. And it's metal. There was a song in this forest too, but it was a savage song. Whispers of madness and tearing and rage. That went dark real fast. Very unexpected. Ooh, and what are these? Hip stickers? Oh, there's even a cute little owl. What are these for? Ooh, and there's a code on the back so you can subscribe to getting sticker subscription. They have those. My younger self is like, do it. These are really cute though, and they got little crystals. Little mushrooms. Oh, it's so cute. Everything you'll find in a forest. Trees and magic and mushrooms. Ooh, and this is the thing that was spoiled. They didn't show us what it looked like, but they showed what it is, and it is a agenda. But it's a reading agenda, which I've never heard of or seen before. It's actually really cute. So, oh, okay. So let's start from the beginning. So, like, who does it belong to? And then you have your normal monthly shenanigans, and then you have a book like wish list, and then you have a monthly like if you read it, if you haven't read it, and then to-do list, read list, and pages that you've read, like how many pages that you've read throughout the week. I might actually use this because I need to get better at reading. I am reading one of the books so far. The House of Bones? The Houses of Bones? Bone Houses? Bone Houses. And also you can rate the books as well and saying your favorite thing was an ebook, a physical book. It's actually pretty cool. And so far the book's really good. It's an interesting concept, but once you grasp it, it's really interesting. I'm not that far in, but I'm doing my best. Ooh, what's this? Once upon a time, I dared to dream of a strange, lovely world where I belonged. Oh, it's so cute. And it looks like it's quote, I guess, from these two books, or at least pertains to those books. It's very cute. And we got our book at the end. So, Winterwood. I really like the blue. Also, when you get these, you get a cute little handwritten note from the writer of the book. Let's just get this out. Okay, so this book is a spellbinding tale of witchery, deadly secrets, and woods that hold grudges. And then there's the note right there that's really, really cute. And a blue sky. Is the book blue too? That's so pretty. This is pretty, but I mean, like, this is like, I like anything blue, guys. Don't judge me. Even my nails are blue. And also, when you get the book, it's actually signed by the author as well. Yeah. And last but not least, it looks like we have the activity book, and you also get one of these in every box. So it lets you know, fun fact, that this is the Owlcrate front cover, and this is the original front cover. So when you order from Owlcrate, you get like a special book cover, and it has some like fun puzzles, and I guess something that explains the stickers. And yeah, there's that. And what is the next box, which is Tales of Trickery. That sounds very, very interesting. That is definitely up my sleeve. Up my alley. This is definitely up my alley. I'm definitely going to be getting that box. So yeah, that is the end of our box. Enjoy your adventure. I hope you guys had fun with me unboxing this box. Please leave a comment down below on an item that you like from this box. I'm curious to see what everyone is into. Also, if you like this video, don't forget to hit that like button down below. And if you love my face, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And also, don't forget to hit that bell, because if not, you won't know when I'm uploading. Remember, you guys are perfect, and I hope you guys have a great one. Bye.